No apologies necessary. I love to hear the different dimensions and just depth of passion that we have between the different people on stage, day in and day out. It's different people. Some people stay, some people come for a few days or a few weeks or a few months. But it's wonderful how easily the conversation and just organically and seamlessly the conversation can flow into deep dive around sports and athletes or onboarding or ERC20 tokens or onboarding and ABC type information. And then next thing you know, we're talking about ZK rollups and any number of just like far level, 501 type level classes, information, and etc. So it's great to just have the diversity. Love the conversation. Happy to be able to keep cultivating these spaces so people can continue. So on we go.